In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view site history on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's past versions, how to understand what changed and when, and how to use that information to work more confidently on your site. Start in the Wix editor with the site you want to review open. At the very top left of the editor, look for the site menu. It sits near your Save and Publish controls. Open that menu to reveal tools that relate to your overall site management, not just the page you're editing. This is where Wix keeps options like settings, transfer, and the one we're after, site history. Select site history from that menu. When you do, Wix will show a brief summary and a button to proceed. This small handoff is normal. It's just letting you know you're moving from the editor into the management area where full version details live. It's helpful because site history covers the whole project, not a single page. Click Go to Site History to continue. This takes you to your site's dashboard view dedicated to version history. Give it a moment to load. You'll soon see a chronological list of versions. Each entry will include the date and time it was saved, who made the change if you collaborate with others, and often whether that version was published. Think of it as a timeline of your site's evolution, including autosaves, manual saves, and publish points. From here, you can click into any version to preview how the site looked at that moment. This is great for comparing layouts, checking copy changes, or confirming when a design shift happened. If you find a version you prefer, you'll have the option to restore it. Restoring doesn't delete your other versions. It simply rolls the editor back to that snapshot so you can continue working from there. Keep in mind, restoring affects your working draft. Your live site won't change until you hit publish again, so you can review safely before anything goes public. A few quick tips while you're here. If you work in a team, site history helps you see who made which updates, which can speed up troubleshooting. Naming your manual saves after major milestones, like new header or pricing update, makes versions easier to spot later. And if you don't see site history, make sure you're using the standard Wix editor for the correct site and that you have the right permissions. That's it. Open the site menu, choose site history, go to the full history view, and review or restore with confidence. Happy building.